Well, I'm on the road here and I'm trying to get to a certain parking spot, but I got some birdies in the way here. Check this out. Oh yeah. They're like, we ain't moving. We ain't moving at all. Alrighty then. Let's see if I can get past them. Oh my goodness. Wasn't that the cutest moment ever with those ducks and chickens? Right in the middle of the road. No care in the world. Just like, hey, we're just here. We're just hanging out. We're just doing our thing. That was amazing and a great way to start this adventure today here at Denver's Lloyd State Park. I've returned to this location. I've been here several times, but the weather today is very moody, so meaning it's cloudy and hopefully the waves will be crashing or in their kind of wavy mood too. So let's see what kind of adventure we're gonna have. It's already starting off very well. So without further ado, let me get myself together, get my pack, and let's get on the trail and let's get a walking. All right, let's take a look over here. This is, I believe, George's pond. A little muddy there. Look at that. A little bit of mud. A little mucky muck. But I have my mucky muck boots on. But oh, look at this. Oh, it's looking beautiful today. Like I said, the clouds are out today. It's in the 60s, so it's a lot cooler than it was yesterday when I went on my hike. But it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, definitely going to grab a snapshot of this. Part of the journey is showing you these amazing locations and the beauty around us. All right, so it is a bit buggy out right now, but hopefully by the time I get to the water, to the beach, the breeze down there will cause the buggy bugs to dissipate. As you can see here, beautiful, beautiful piece of land. Let me zoom out here. There we go. Go wide. Give you a broader look at what's going on around here. This is a beautiful small trail here that leads to the beach. And just figured I'd bring you guys along today to enjoy this adventure. Hope you all are doing well and having a great day. Yeah. Hope you all had a great Memorial Day weekend. All right. So as you see here, there's a boundary sign here and it says DNRT Reserve Boundary, entering Denver's Lloyd State Park, Massachusetts Department of Conservation and Recreation Property. So that's where we're headed, folks. That is where we are headed. All right, folks, as you can see here, we're now on a sandy pathway. And I just love this particular spot along the trail. It's so beautiful. I mean, look at this. Wow. And I'm not sure what kind of tree or plant bush this is, but look at that. That's so pretty. I'll have to take a picture and get some info from Google Photos. A little tip for you folks, if you're ever wondering what something is and you're not sure what it is, you can use Google Lens like I do to identify plants and trees, shrubs and animals and whatnot. So if you're ever having trouble doing that, check out Google Lens through your Google Photos and do a lens search and it will give you all the information you need. It's really been helpful for me. So just a quick tip for you. You're out on the trail, you're not sure of something, use Google Lens. It's your identifier in life. Alrighty folks, here we go. Check this out. We have now approached the beach. Ooh. You know what folks, let me just show you this real quick. I was here last year or the year before and these flowers are absolutely beautiful. Look at those colors. That's such a bright, I I've got to identify this one too. I'm not sure what kind of a flower and plant this is, but look how gorgeous that is. So vibrant. Wow, I love it. But this, this is what I came to show you guys right here. Look at this. Wow. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me over the wind. Oh yeah. Look at this, folks. Gorgeous. Oh man, I just love it. All right, folks, so I did a quick identifier through Google Lens, and I should have known this because I have looked it up before, but the name just slipped my mind. But it's a really, really cool plant, and it's called a beach rose. So if you're ever on the beach and you see a flowering plant like this, that's probably what it is, a beautiful beach rose. Oh, I just love it, folks. This park has so many levels of beauty to it. The pathways, the different vegetation that is out here. Just absolutely gorgeous, folks. Check this out. Alright folks, so there you go. There's my gear for today. The food, the water, the hammock. I have my cook kit with me. I'll be boiling some water to make a cup of coffee. I have a instant sachet, like a tea bag type coffee I'm going to try out for the first time. And I have my food to eat, some snacks, and just going to relax for a little bit, enjoy, kick back, and just enjoy the sounds around me. Alrighty folks, I'm about ready to eat here. I have my meal right there, the Indian Bombay potatoes. And inside of here is that coffee that is in that sachet. And look at this. Oh, look at this, folks. Wow. I'm trying to do this with the camera here. Look at that. That looks good. Alright, let's do a taste test. Alright folks, here we go. First sip of the coffee. Ooh. Wow, that's really good. Very smooth, not very acidic at all. I'm impressed. Really, really good. It's a strong coffee, but it's not overpowering. I could say this is a winner. I'll have to check into this company and see what else they have to offer. And now it's chow time. So I'm going to eat this meal right here. And I've had this several times. It's a delicious little meal to have. And then I'm going to relax and enjoy the beautiful sounds of nature around me, as you can hear the birds. And yeah, I'm just going to chill in the hammock for a little bit, put the bug net up so I don't get all the buggies around me, and just relax. And then I'll bring you back in a little bit.